Future Lin is here to show you about the connection methods of LED COB tapes. First, we need a solder iron and preheat to around 300 Celsius degrees or 600 Fahrenheit degrees. Trim the 20 gauge wire to about the same length as the copper pad on the edge of the tape. Apply a little solder to the copper pad, then press the wire. When the tin melts, remove the heat and hold until the tin solidifies. There's a quicker method that is equally as secure as soldering. Crystal wire connector. We need a wire stripper to cut the tape directly. Check the polarity symbols. Insert the tape into the clip, then clamp it. When it comes to the corner, it can make a perfect 90 degrees without dark spots. Only 2 mm thickness make it easier to apply into the ultra-thin aluminum profile or any other shadow spaces. Don't worry about the short circuits. On the side of the light strip, the copper foil is not exposed. On the back of the light strip is 3M heat-resistant adhesive, so it won't fall off. For more questions about the wiring and connecting, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.